This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Easy Blue Ridge Mountain Living. Build your year-round mountain view home or nestle into the private creekside valley on this 6.53 acres rolling lot with spring-fed stream in this upscale 1300 subdivision. Enjoy privacy, year-round mountain view, deeded lake Nottely access boat ramp and dock with multiple slips, stables, pasture, luxurious pool and clubhouse, gated entrance, wide roads, underground utilities, fiber optics, and the pristine mountain lake surroundings. Easy access to Highway 515, Blairsville and Blue Ridge. Lot can be accessed from Valley Crest Drive or Ridge Pointe Way. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-7